Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your system meets requirements and by downloading a trusted live wallpaper app. This avoids permission errors later. Once downloaded, run the installer and accept necessary permissions. Make sure to close heavy apps first so installation is smooth. You'll see options for default install locations and optional plugins. Choose defaults unless you need a custom path. This first step gets the core software ready, so subsequent configuration focuses only on selecting and applying your live wallpaper without interruptions. You now import or select a wallpaper from the app library, drag in a video, GIF, or interactive scene. Once done, configure playback options such as loop, audio reactive behavior, target FPS, and CPU/GPU limits so performance matches your machine. Make sure to assign the wallpaper to the correct monitor, single, specific screens, or span across multiple displays. You should also set behavior for full-screen apps and battery saver modes, because those choices determine whether the wallpaper pauses to conserve resources. You finish by applying the wallpaper and testing it across normal windows and a full-screen application to confirm it behaves as expected. Once done, enable Launch at Startup if you want the wallpaper to persist after reboot. If performance issues appear, try a quick troubleshoot. Lower the FPS, disable audio reactive features, or update your GPU drivers. Additionally, check power settings for laptops. If the wallpaper won't display, relaunch the app with elevated permissions and confirm no antivirus is blocking its process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.